Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with a quick review of the Roku Ultra streaming media player. As part of this review, I'd like to start with an unboxing just to show you all the components that are included with the kit, and that way you'll understand exactly what you get if you buy the product. And then I'll talk about the features that really separate the Roku Ultra from all the other streaming media players out there, because Roku was the first company that actually built a dedicated media player that allowed you to very easily organize all of your streaming channels in one place, had a really nice interface which made it easy to find your shows. They incorporated all the latest audio and video codecs so you could watch high-resolution content on your TV. You had all the latest audio standards as well. They built an incredibly smart remote, and the Roku Ultra really represents the top of their line product, which is incredibly competitively priced when you compare it to other media players out there. But let's get started with the unboxing and then I'll get into the features. So when you first open up the box, you'll find the Roku Ultra, and it's about the size of a hamburger patty. So it's nice and small. It'll fit up on your media center. You'll find a single power supply. You can plug this into any standard wall outlet. The other end has a barrel connection on it, which plugs into the back of the unit and provides all the power you'll need for operation. They include two cables. One is a USB-A to micro USB, and you're wondering what that's for. Well, the remote control doesn't use batteries. It's got a rechargeable battery inside, so you can use this cable. You'll plug the USB-A into the back of the Roku, micro USB into the charge port on the actual remote, and charge it up, and you can use it and then recharge it when you need to. They also include an HDMI cable. It's a really nice, heavy-duty, high-resolution HDMI cable. That's a nice touch because a lot of the media players on the market don't include the cable. You got to go scrambling to find an HDMI cable, so Roku gives you pretty much everything you need to use this right out of the box. You'll also find their brand new Voice Remote Pro. Now there's a couple of cool features in this that I'll talk about in a minute, and they include a set of wired earbuds. And you're wondering, why did they include those? Well, one of the features from the remote is there's a 3.5mm port on the side, which is a headphone jack. You can plug those in, and if it's late at night and your family's sleeping and you're watching a monster movie, you can have the volume all the way up, but nobody knows you're watching TV. So that's a really cool feature. I use that an awful lot. All right, so you also get a warranty card, an I Love Roku set of stickers. You can put these on your car, you can put them on your TV, but it allows you to tell your friends that you like Roku, you like the company. And then finally, a full instruction manual is also included that gives you all the details you'll ever wonder about for this product, how to use it, what kind of specifications it has, what the menus do, all the things you really care about. So read through that so you fully understand how to use the product. All right, so let's talk a little bit about streaming media players in general. There's a lot of companies out there that make them, but they tend to be, I don't know, complicated to use. With the Roku, you basically connect it to your TV, connect it to a wall outlet, power it up, and you've got a menu to start with. Now, a lot of the Roku players use Wi-Fi connectivity for the internet. This one has both Wi-Fi connectivity as well as a dedicated LAN port. And that's nice because a lot of times if you're too far away from your Wi-Fi connection, you can connect this up to your network with a wired connection and really get that high resolution content, especially if you're going to start watching things like 4K with HDR or Dolby Video. You want to make sure you've got a solid connection. So you've got both options there. This unit also provides a USB-A port in the back, which is great for charging the remote. It's also great for playing content locally. So if you've got a thumb drive with content on it, slide it in there, you can start playing it. This unit also has a Find the Remote button on the side. So when you push that, this remote starts beeping. How many times have you put a remote down and you can't remember where it is and you're spending 10 minutes before the movie starts, the popcorn's getting cold, hit that button, it'll start doot, 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 and you can find the remote. So that's something they built in. In addition to that, the remote itself, like I mentioned, has got the a headphone jack on the side, so you can use those headphones. You can also use your own headphones if you want, which is really nice. It's a voice remote. You can hit a button and yell at it. Tell me, hey, go find CSI for me. It'll bring that channel up and let you know where it is on your streaming services. So the remote is incredibly smart. In addition to that, this unit has Bluetooth connectivity. Now that's important for a couple of reasons, because if you have a set of Bluetooth headphones, you don't have to use the wired earbuds with this. You can connect your Bluetooth headphones up to it and enjoy the content over Bluetooth headphones. It's also great because you can stream over Bluetooth. So if you've got an audio music function on your phone and you want to stream the music to your TV, you can connect over Bluetooth and you can stream that music. So what they're trying to do here is got to build an ecosystem that allows you to watch a lot of high quality content from whatever streaming channel you're subscribing to, and a lot of free channels out there as well. And we're also giving you the ability to expand this into an audio player, to use it with your headphones, again, so you can keep things quiet at night when your family's sleeping, and really everything you need is built in. Now, a couple of key things to remember. This unit has HDMI connections with ARC support, which is one of the latest standards out there. It also provides HDMI 2.1 and HDCP 2.2. Now those are two standards inside the HDMI certifications. That means you're going to get the latest features for HDMI. You're also going to be able to play all the copy protected content that you love to watch because it's HDCP 2.2 compliant. So pretty much everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, honestly, a monkey could hook this thing up. It's just that simple. So anyway, I hope you found this review helpful. Roku makes a lot of different players, a lot of different price points. For me, this is probably the best value for the money, and I like it an awful lot. I've been using this in the house. I have 3 of them in the house. The kids have one upstairs. We have one downstairs in the den, and there's one in the basement. I just think it's a wonderful product. I like it a lot. I think you're going to like it a lot as well, and hopefully you enjoyed this review. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.